foreign exchange market is a dynamic and global marketplace where currencies are traded 24/5. With its immense potential for profit and accessibility, it has become an attractive venture for traders worldwide, including in South Africa. However, with great opportunity comes significant risk, which is why Forex regulations play a critical role in ensuring the safety and fairness of trading activities within the country. Forex regulations are a set of rules and guidelines established by regulatory bodies to oversee and govern the activities of Forex brokers and traders. In South Africa, the primary regulatory authority responsible for overseeing the Forex market is the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, which is FSCA. Formerly known as the Financial Services Board, the FSCA is tasked with maintaining market integrity, protecting consumers, and promoting a transparent and secure trading environment. Forex trading regulations serve several key purposes. And here are a few main keys that you really need to know if you want to start Forex trading, so here is the list. Number 1. Investor protection. Number 2. Market integrity. Number 3. Risk mitigation. And number 4. Financial stability. For traders in South Africa, choosing a regulated Forex broker is a crucial step in ensuring a safe and secure trading experience. Here are some of the best regulated Forex brokers in South Africa. FP Markets. FX Pro. IC Markets. FBS. XM. Black Bull Markets. HF Markets. AXI. Oenda. Pepperstone. These all are basically the best regulated Forex brokers in South Africa, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex brokers in South Africa by using the link in the description below. While Forex regulations in South Africa have significantly improved the trading environment, challenges remain. One challenge is ensuring that traders are well informed about the risks associated with Forex trading. This requires ongoing efforts to enhance educational resources and risk disclosure mechanisms. As the Forex market continues to evolve, regulations must adapt to new technological advancements and trading practices. The rise of online trading platforms, algorithmic trading, and cryptocurrencies presents unique challenges that regulators must address to maintain market integrity. In conclusion, Forex regulations in South Africa serve as a crucial safeguard for traders venturing into the world of currency trading. The FSCA's oversight ensures that Forex brokers adhere to strict standards, promoting transparency, fairness, and investor protection. Traders are encouraged to choose regulated brokers to mitigate risks and navigate the market with confidence. As the market evolves, regulations will continue to play a pivotal role in maintaining a safe and vibrant Forex trading landscape in South Africa.